Hi my dear friends. So today we are going to create beautiful trees, which is the most important element in village landscape or any kind of landscape which is related to village life. So many of my follower friends, they requested me to create a video where they can learn how to create trees. So this is very basic. I just created 3 individual drawing on a small tree, then some bushes and a big tree. So you can see the very basic technique of a tree. On the top of the tree I used yellow little with little green. After that I increase the quantity of green, and slowly when I am coming down I'm totally using deep green. Maybe you can add little bit of blue. This is your choice. But sometime by using blue you can create more proportional flavor, proportional color value. Now for the tree trunk or the bottom part of the tree, no need to do so many things, so many brush strokes. Remember, if the tree is small, not a big, huge tree, the single stroke would be the best way to finish the drawing. No need to do so many color patches. I think for the basic tree, this is enough. Now we are going to do the bush. Here I am using yellow ochre raw. No need to make it complicated. At the beginning, this is my request. Please do as simple as you can. After that, when you will feel comfortable, then go for the complicated one. At the beginning, go for this kind of bushes. Upper part for the sunlight, create little bit lighter, and the bottom part go for the dark green. The small elements, the small particles are important. You can see all over the tree. I like it mainly in Indian landscape. You can use. So jump to the next one, the big tree. I am using burnt umber for the trunk, the heavy thick trunk, simple burnt umber with lots of water. There is no like sometimes people use very little quantity of water. This is not good actually. In watercolor, mainly in transparent watercolor, you have to be sure that your water quantity is okay. And same thing I am doing on the top of the tree. I am using yellow ochre. Mainly you have to judge main part of the tree where the sunlight is falling on, and after that I am using little bit of green. Actually I mixed with the same yellow ochre, the green, to make it little darker value. Just watch. So now here you can see that how easily you can create these simple trees in your landscape. No need to do so many things. This is all of you requested so many times. That's why I create the video. Please do share, please do comment if you like. If you think that you can learn from my channel, please do like and share. I am doing everything, whatever I am doing in videos for you guys. There is no editing, nothing. This is very raw video so that you can learn. The basic should be very strong. Here I am using dark green. After that I can use more dark at the bottom part, the shadow of the trees leaves. So this is important. You have to practice too many times to make sure that you can do it easily. So do practice at your home thousands of times. If you really like it, then let me know what will be the next video you want to see. I will create more But please do practice, do share. Look, that those three trees are different shape, different size, but the technique is almost same. Of course, the last one is big tree, huge. That's why I am doing little bit of detailing on the tree trunk. Otherwise, for the small one, no need to do so many things. Just maybe a little stroke of dark brown. That's it. Always try to make some supporting land where the tree is established. Thank you so much. Please do share and like. Thank you.